and got me. Hello everybody, and in this video we're gonna be looking at the new Animal Company update. But I apparently just found something new. And it's just a bunch of crates. Oh, I'm out. Anyways, we're playing the new Animal Company update. Alright. Here we go. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Here we go. You know what? Not scary enough. I'm turning on. Da 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 da. Wow. What the heck are these things? What the? So it turns out that full contrast, I can't do it, but I will do full contrast, if this video gets 20 likes. Yeah. I'll do on full contrast if this video gets 20 likes. And we'll turn my brightness all the way down. Perfect. Here it is. I've never played this update before. And now I know why it's difficult. Oh, look! I hate when I go in my eyes. Oh my god. Ooh, pretty bug. Alright, I need to... I'm out. Lava, ooh, I don't want. So don't touch those, and you'll have a good life. That's really simple. No, I know that walking sound anywhere. The rock guy. I hate the rock guy. I hate the rock guy. But I'll take the hit. Yes! Whoa. Epic parkour. Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, yes. No! Yes, no, maybe so. Oh, dang it, I used up my one rocket. Animal Company. Punch, punch. This time, I haven't heard much about this, but all I know is there's a lot of valuables. And I'm gonna make a lot of money. No. Dang it. those flies. Maybe we're gonna go up there. Ah! No, no, no! No, no! Oh, damn. Damn, I guess. What the Sigma? I need money. I know this. I know that the heavier the item, the more valuable it is. This is valuable. I'm gonna put it back. My backpack is. Ooh. Ooh. This is heavy. No! Come on! No! This might take a while. No! Don't make you drink. Yes, no, maybe so. Ooh! Slick back. Alright, I think I have enough. Let me count. 1. Oh, 2. Let me go get some more. Alright, so I think I got enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. No, I'm not letting me. Why is that so loud? Oh boy. This way. What happens if I go that way? I'm not going that way. Oh wait, there's one more. Right there. Come on. Oh, why am I down on my way so much? Ooh, there's... Okay, so... we have to find the portal, and then we can escape this place. Come on. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. 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 Why am I so heavy? Why is this backpack weighing me down so much? Why? What if I touch the red stuff? Ah. It bit me! Ow! Oh, I feel sick. Oh, no way, Jose. Oh no. Go away or go. Go quick. No, no, no. Perfect. Oh, yes. The portal. There it is. Let's do this. Yes, yes. It's almost too easy. Here we go. Yep, this is way too easy.
Alone at the edge of a universe, humming a tune, or merely dreaming we...
No, the angler. No. I knew it was too easy. Come on, come on. Yes, yes! Alright, it's time to see how much money I made and how much I wasted. Oh. No! Oh. That is gonna be... Ah! Woo! See how much money I made.